She made a guess. She was wrong. One of the other prep chefs made a guess. Oh, and Judy, did you guess too, Judy? Well, and Judy guessed wrong too, our director.
Is there an answer?
It's coming up after this presentation.
Oh, okay.
All right. Tara
Don't
Tescher's back.
me. Hi.
Hi, Tara Tescher.
How are you?
T squared.
Yes.
Always nice to see you.
Great to be here.
You brought us
Thank
something
you.
brand new.
Brand new.
And all I can say to you is baby Yura.
Yep, firework.
And sometimes I just want to say firework fetty.
Sometimes.
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 Hey, this is our nested ramekins with the lid.
Our secret weapon.
These are so awesome and so perfect for summertime because have you ever seen home cooks or chefs reach for a little pinch of this,
yes,
a pinch of that when they're cooking, and everything just comes out beautifully seasoned? Well, something had to hold all those seasonings. This is your answer.
This is it, and that's why I call it the secret weapon, exactly what David was just saying. These are those universal pieces that you're going to use all the time. It starts with our 16-ounce covered, what we call a ramekin. But think about using this as a butter crock. Think about using this as a salt box. But the magic is also inside. Layer upon layer of different pieces with your 4-ounce, as David was saying, your little pinch bowl. Then going to your 8-ounce ramekin. Notice that they all have that beautiful fluted shape that runs around the edges. This is our basket weave collection. So what does that mean? It's completely sculptural, 360 degrees, and then all individually hand painted layer upon layer. And there we mentioned, of course, that 16-ounce with the gorgeous cover. Just this piece alone, I'm telling you, is worth the price of admission, but then everything else will nest down inside. Your 8-ounce, your 4-ounce. Oh, and by the way, put the lid on and tuck it away.
It's really amazing.
So
and we've got
sweet.
all your favorite colors, but just in time for your patriotic holiday. You know, July 4th will be here, what, about 3 weeks?
Yes.
About
Can you
3
believe
weeks
it?
away. I can hardly stand it. I'm very excited. So this is going to be loads of fun, and we've got firework fetty, $250 in the firework fetty. In the firework, $230.
Did you see the little finial? That's the star. Adorable.
You know what you are?
Yep.
Star.
Oh, thank you.
You're a star.
You're so good to me.
All right, this is ocean fetty. And you know what, Sean, if we can shoot from the side. Is that, no, that's Judy, I'm sorry. Excuse me, Sean's next hour. Judy, darling, my directress.
Please.
I'm terribly sorry, darling. Can we shoot from the side? There she is, my girl Judy. This is ocean fetty, $250. This is summer, $250. Here's black, old world black, I should say. Floral lace black, $400. This is old world blue, floral lace blue. Here's red old world, $200. Here's floral lace red, available. Cranberry old world, $270. Cranberry floral lace, available. This one is the eggplant in floral lace. This is the chocolate. Here's your light blue. Here's light blue. Moving on to green. This is old world green. Oh. Then we go into confetti, which is Tara's favorite.
Talk about that. So your interior is going to be painted as well and have that detail. The outside, here's what we talk about with basket weave. The layer upon layer, the complete sculptural detail. So everything's raised, including, again, those flowers. So it starts with the basket weave, you have that gray tea staining, and then you have the layer upon layer of different colors.
Now, you have 3 easy payments regardless of the card that you use. What happens if you use this card?
What happens?
5 easy pays.
Really?
Happy birthday, QVC. We have the birthday, you get the gift. 5 easy payments. And tonight's a good night to apply for a Q card because if you do, apply for a Q card, get approved, make a purchase over $25, which this is. We'll put a $33 credit on your QVC membership account. Why 33? Because that's how old we are this month. Well, QVC and me. All right, so all
and
of this coming your way.
Did you sneak that in there?
I was waiting for Tara to call me out on that.
Call your bluff.
Call my
maybe?
bluff. It's big time bluff.
Ah,
this is 49046. How many gone now, Sean?
Potato bar.
400 gone now.
Potato bar.
Baked potato bar, and that sour cream comes icy cold out of the fridge.
Isn't that fantastic? But also take those plastic containers that you have of margarine or butter and drop that right inside, and this becomes your butter keeper, or as David mentioned, it becomes your salt keeper, sour cream. Put it in the oven. You could do a little hot dip in here if you wanted to.
Oh, nice.
And then look what a little accoutrement. Oh, of course you went for the bacon.
Yeah.
Duh.
Hello.
Did we just meet?
I was just going to ask
Don't
you
forget the scallions, although you're not really.
No, I like scallions.
Well, kind of.
I do like scallions.
I'm going to eat that sour cream and just make sure it's okay.
Okay, would you?
Okay, I did.
Okay.
And we got a bunch of jumpers. This is why I can't do these things. But look what else we did. So potato bar, super
It's
cute.
just because millions of people are watching you. Don't be nervous.
No, not at all. And then, of course, look, we did a little pull-apart, which I thought this was super fun. To do a little pull-apart bread, but notice, ooey gooey sticky, baked it right inside here, and then brought it right to the table. And here's what I love about that. Caramelized, nothing to worry about, nothing sticking. And then look what else we did. We did the icing next door to that, and we did a little fruit salad. Of course, we baked one of our frittatas in our Terra at Home baker, so you can see how everything kind of works together. I'm telling you, this is such a great fun set and a must-have for everybody.
Now, let me also tell you now that we have taken orders for 700 of these.
Thank
so
you,
let's walk us through what we're getting
yes,
here, and
absolutely.
then we'll go through colors again.
Sure.
Lots and lots of you are making your choice. This is brand new tonight. You keep asking me, David, where's the new?
Yes.
You're staring at it. Well, not Tara and I.
We've been around 33 years.
We're not so much new, but this is new.
Yeah, so I love, again, the fact that it starts with 16 ounces. You have that fluting that runs around the edges. You have that beautiful basket weave detail. Then you have your 8-ounce that nests inside there. You have your 4-ounce that nests inside there. Again, pinch dishes, little prep dishes, everything you could possibly need, and you can store it like that, leave it right out on your countertop.
I love that it nests
So
because
sweet.
so many times I get interviewed and they say, David, when we're short on counter space,
Yep.
how do we counteract that? I
It's
say two
true.
things. Take advantage of vertical space.
Yep.
And buy things that nest.
Love that.
Because it cuts down on room and then you're not taking up so much of it. This is your firework fetty. 120 left in firework fetty. This is firework. 5 dozen left to go around.
Wow.
Here is your old world ocean fetty. 200. This is summer. 200. Old world black. 250. Old black floral lace available. Here's your blue old world blue floral lace. Red old world. 200. Red floral lace. Here's thank you, that one. Cranberry
that too.
old world 250 and cranberry floral lace available. Then we've got eggplant.
Chocolate.
Light blue.
Yes.
Here it is in the green old world. And Tara's favorite, the confetti.
Love that.
350 left in that confetti.
Beautiful.
Don't miss out on this because we are very, very busy. 900 of these are now gone.
Thank you,
Lots
everybody.
of you are saying, hey, wait a minute. In the Kitchen with David starts at 8. What are you doing on an hour early?
What happened?
Spread the word, foodie friends. We are on the air right now all the way through 9 o'clock because that's when we have Jill's farewell show.
I will be in that. I'm super excited.
And Miss Tara will be in that show tonight.
With a clearance item, but P.S. and by the way. To use what Jill likes to say.
Exactly. We're
Yes.
going to use Jillisms tonight.
Yes.
And let's use one that she always says when she describes anything that's fabulous like Temp-tations.
Enjoyable.
We didn't even rehearse that.
We did not.
Hey, can I tell you, we have an answer to the trivia question. Before we put up the answer, let's put up the question again. Now, world-renowned chef